你是球迷吗？
Are you a football fan?
我只是伪球迷，你呢？ I'm just a casual fan. How about you?
Hello, fellow Chinese learners. Welcome back to our language journey. Today, we're stepping into the electrifying world of women's soccer, combining language learning with the exhilaration of the game. So, put on the jersey,
球衣、
lace up your boots,
球鞋。
and let us embark on this language adventure.
Now let's warm up with some basic football vocabulary, as reading loudly is the best way to learn a foreign language. Repeat after me in Chinese, please. 世界杯，世界杯，世界杯。World Cup. 足球，足球，足球。Football. 足 means foot. 球 means ball. 女人，女人，女人。女子，女子，女子。Both means woman. The word 女人 is used very often, but here we say 女子足球 not 女人足球。裁判，裁判，裁判。Referee. 球员，球员，球员。Player. 教练，教练，教练。Coach. 球队，球队，球队。Team. 你支持哪支球队呢？ Which team do you support? 球星，球星，球星。Football star. Just like players take specific positions on the field, words also have roles in the football world. Let's learn key field positions in Chinese. 前锋，前锋，前锋。Forward. 中场，中场，中场。Midfielder. 后卫，后卫，后卫。Defender. 门将，门将，门将。守门员，守门员，守门员。Both means goalkeeper. Now let's get active with Chinese expressions for football actions. 进攻，进攻，进攻。Attack. 防守，防守，防守。Defend. 换人，换人，换人。Substitute. 打门，打门，打门。射门，射门，射门。Both means shoot. 铲球，铲球，铲球。Tackle. 传球，传球，传球。Pass. 带球，带球，带球。Dribble. In any soccer match, the ultimate goal is to score. Let's express it in Chinese. 进球，进球，进球。Goal. 庆祝，庆祝，庆祝。Celebrate. Now let's delve into time-related phrases in Chinese. 上半场，上半场，上半场。First half. 下半场，下半场，下半场。Second half. 加时赛，加时赛，加时赛。Extra time. 点球大战，点球大战，点球大战。Penalty shootout. In football, set pieces are crucial. Here are some in Chinese. 角球，角球，角球。Corner kick. 任意球，任意球，任意球。Free kick. 点球，点球，点球。Penalty kick. 越位，越位，越位。Offside. 乌龙球，乌龙球，乌龙球。On goal. Flick ball into on net. Now let's explore the various parts of the football pitch and learn the corresponding Chinese terms. 足球场，足球场，足球场。Pitch. 前场，前场，前场。Forward area. 后场，后场，后场。Defensive area. 中线，中线，中线。Midfield line. 底线，底线，底线。Underline. 边线，边线，边线。Sideline. 左路，左路，左路。Left wing. 右路，右路，右路。Right wing. 禁区，禁区，禁区。Penalty area. 球门，球门，球门。Goal. In Chinese, you can cheer for your favorite team with phrases like 加油，加油，加油。Come on. 我们能行，我们能行，我们能行。We can do it. 你最棒，你最棒，你最棒。You are the best. In every tournament, there is a climactic showdown for the championship title. 冠军，冠军，冠军 champion 亚军，亚军，亚军 second place 季军，季军，季军 third place 决赛，决赛，决赛 championship match 半决赛，半决赛，半决赛 semi-finals 小组赛，小组赛，小组赛 group stage.
Congratulations! You've scored a linguistic hat trick today. By the way, tell me who is your favorite soccer star? Remember, learning a new language is like a World Cup journey, full of excitement and surprises. Keep practicing, keep cheering, and soon you'll be fluent in Chinese. Thank you for joining us, bye.